Panda, you're in my seat. So if you got dogs, you probably know this struggle. These two here think that the front seat belongs to them. It's cute and everything, but it's not safe, and it can't be comfortable for them. Panda here doesn't even lay down. He just stands up here and looks out like a captain looking out to sea. But we got a solution. So we bought this on Amazon. We'll put the link below. And it's pretty simple to install. Just fasten the clips around the headrest, the front and back. It's got these side flaps too, but we don't really use them. These are the clips, they're pretty simple. So this is the first part. It gives them a nice sturdy platform. I guess you could tuck this under, you can put it on top, it doesn't matter. You see, Panda likes that. It's pretty easy to install. It comes with 2 bungee cords. You just wrap them around. You have to wrap it a couple times because they're long. But I find it fits well in the headrest, and maybe you can get a good better view of it right here. Just wrap it around and hook it back onto itself. And you have a barrier here that they can't really get through. And then you just take this piece on the bottom barrier and slide it through the loop that comes with it. And that holds it. So here's a better view of how this clips on. It's just a simple strap. Snaps together. Also comes with bungees here. They come with this cage, and that's what holds it to the seat. And we just try to keep the straps where they are on the metal bar on the headrest, so it doesn't do any rubbing or anything against the back of the headrest. This here is rubbing, but it doesn't really move much, so I don't think it'll be a problem. But maybe in the future we'll put a piece of fabric or something in between that to keep it from rubbing. Alright, let's see what the dogs think. Can't forget the beds to keep them nice and comfortable. So this is 2 separate products. One's called a back seat extender. The other is called a dog barrier cage. We'll put a link to these 2 products in the comment section. They seem to work really well. The dogs enjoy the steady platform, and they don't slide around as much as when we go around curves. The other benefit of this is we can get out of the car and the dogs have to wait for us. When they're on your lap, they try to jump out before you do, and it's really chaotic, so it's much better. Wait. Let's go. Good dogs. Both the dog barrier and the seat extender worked really well in our 2026 Ford Escape, and I think it'd work well in any small SUV. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. In the future, we're going to start touring some motorhomes. We're looking for our next RV. There's an RV show coming up in Seattle. Hopefully we can get some good footage. Until then, thanks.